Hello, I have a copy of a restraining order that's not in the system. It's not coming up for some reason. And I need to check the restraining order because it looks like the court forgot the address that it goes to the respondent. So I sent it to the location out of state, not realizing that they didn't have his address on there for him to get served, and paid $35 to certify it.
Okay.
And
Do you have your case number?
yes, it's right here. I just want to make sure that the address is on there, and I wish the court can reimburse me for a lot of the inconvenience of not putting something as vital as an address on the restraining order for the respondent.
Okay. Okay, you're great. I appreciate your help. Thank you.
Are you able to pull it up?
So for
Were you able to pull it up, ma'am?
I'm looking for it. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay. Is there a particular reason why I can't pull it up, or can you help me pull it up? Because it appears that they did not put his
You
address.
should try
Yeah.
under family.
Yes. Are you able to see the respondent? Is there an address that it would be going to on his document?
All of that, but
Who does? Because it's the court's responsibility to put key in and not tamper with evidence and leave his address off of the information, so he can't be served. Someone needs to get to the bottom of it, because it's impossible to serve him if they did not put an address on there. And well, I can't correct the issue if nobody is being honest about it. I didn't do all this paperwork for them with the address on there for them to leave it out.
this is very slow today.
And on the application, the first page on the application is the respondent's address.
Okay.
So I don't know why.
It's still trying to pull it. So,
All computer systems are down. This isn't the only one.
yeah.
There's a pattern around me. You don't see what?
I don't see that an address.
So who needs to correct that?
So have you checked with the restraining order department?
I don't know. This is a court. I don't work here. I'm asking for feedback. Well, when they left, who do I need to talk to about them tampering with evidence and keeping him from being
This
served?
department right here, we just make copies.
So who would know?
The restraining order.
Okay, what floor is that?
Fourth floor, and it's room 234. I'm sorry, second floor, 234.
Okay, thank you. Waiting on the elevators again. I'm just going to do the escalator. I'm the only one here. Hello. Are all you guys busy? Anyone? Or who do I need? I think I talked to you last time you had me go to another floor. Yeah, on the application is the respondent's address, and you guys left the address out of the document, and hindering the case, it is a criminal offense. For a restraining order, this is the case. So I paid to get the letter certified, and it does not have the address in it for them to serve it. For the respondent. This is the case number. That's my copy. I trusted you guys to not hinder my case and do it properly, even though you had me go on the floor and then you reviewed it twice with the attorney in Miles. The same document.
You're saying they can't serve them because there's no address?
Yeah. What do you see? Do you see as a respondent there's an address on the documentation in your system? I've already did a certified letter. The problem of it is I gave you the address to serve them, and it's impossible to serve them if you won't put.
Ma'am.
I'm responsible for serving it myself. I'm not the I'm the.
So look up her tapes. Go on the 100. Actually, go on the 100. 3387.
And for some reason, I can't look it up on the computer myself. This happens with most of my cases. The crimes are being committed with.
Go on the cover sheet or the 110 or the 130.
It's not. I'm asking you why did you put the address on the document? That's why I came here. because right here, as you can see on this application, this is the address right here on the first page of the
That's
application.
the address of the employer.
That's
You did
it.
provide the address and it is in
That's
our
the address
system.
that he's getting served. It's his own business.
2167 Human?
Yes.
Oh, it's in Louisiana.
Right, but
Our sheriff's department cannot serve out of.
that's not
state.
why I came here.
You're asking if it's in.
That
our
I would
system?
like to express to you why I came here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. What do you have in your hand?
Your copy.
Okay. On the respondent's copy
Which
for the
one?
restraining order, do you see the address
I
for
don't
him
have the
to?
respondent's copy, you're holding it. So may I
This
have
isn't
that?
the respondent's copy. I trusted you guys not to have the address on there, but the location that I sent it to get served
So
has
the
no
respondent's
address.
copy has the 109 and the 100. On the 100, it does not have the respondent's copy.
She
When you
said
go-
she didn't see it.
When you go to the sheriff's department, you have a form that you need to fill out where you want the sheriff to serve. Because it is in Louisiana, our sheriff's department can't serve.
That's not why I came here, ma'am. There's a disconnect again.
Okay. Explain it again.
Okay. The respondent's copy
Yes,
that I have to serve in another state,
yes,
okay, myself.
yes.
Okay, does not have an address for them to serve them. They don't know where it goes, and I sent it to the sheriffs because they said that they can't take me to write the address and email it or fax it like I did, that you have to put it on the document and it's hid on the document. So they can't serve it because there's no address to serve it to. That's what they're saying.
Okay, so you are responsible for serving the other party.
I know, but that's not why I came here once again. The reason why I came here is because the respondent's copy, they can't serve him because you forgot the address in the
We did not
respondent's
forget
copy.
the addresses, it is in our system. So you would need to provide the sheriff's department, wherever it is you're gonna go have it served, provide them with the address, which.
That's not what they said. They said that you have to have it on the documentation. And I have the address right here on the first thing, and you have my address on the paperwork.
Documents are provided by her. No, we don't write anything down. She didn't write down the address. It wasn't fault.
Okay, so I gotta write the address on the copy, the paperwork?
On the sheriff's form that they provide you, yes.
Okay, they told me that it was in the documentation. There's a lot of people there, I'm getting a lot of resistance. So I have to get another copy? You don't put the address in there, period?
On those copies, no.
But it's in mine. My address is in there, but his isn't.
Yes. So when you go to the sheriff's, they give you a form.
It's in a different state. I'm not going to the sheriff's. They said that you have to have it in the documentation. People are making it impossible for me to serve this man.
Is the address on the one right?
They said that
On
it,
the 110 and the 130.
and why would you hide the address? I'm giving you the address.
There's no address on the one, it's just. the
I
sheriff-
have the address and gave it to you. Why would you hide the address from me?
She wants the address on the document.
They want the address on the document to serve them. That's what they told me.
It's not on the 100, it's the CH.
The document, the address isn't in the paperwork, period, for the respondent. Only my address.
On the CH, there is.
He has my address, and I gave you his address, and it's not in there.
Let me see the documents. So there's nothing here.
Only my address is in the documentation.
Yeah, it was on the 110, which is you don't have it because
Right.
it wasn't approved or granted. So there's nothing we can give you with an address. What you could do is maybe print out the documents from records and ask them to set a fine for you. Or
Why
maybe-
is my address in here for him to see?
Because you provide these documents, man. We didn't write anything down for you.
Hold on, disconnect. Hold on, that's not the
Huh?
question that I'm asking you.
Right.
Hold on, disconnect. Hold
Okay.
on, what's your name?
Aldo.
Okay. Otto.
Yeah.
In this paperwork, my address is in here for him to see.
Right, because
Right, hold on.
Uh-huh.
Okay. His address, the abuser, is protected and he's not in here. Okay. His copy to the respondent, why would his address not be in here, but mine is?
Who provide these documents?
This me. I'm the one getting restraining
You're
order.
the one who submit this form
Yes.
with your name, with your
And
address.
here, right here on the first page,
Right,
is his
hold on,
address
hold on.
for the application.
Again, no, you hold on. You are the one who provide this form with your name, your address, his name. You're the one who provide these documents.
No, this is what I provided right here with his
Okay,
address,
so
right here.
how do we
I got a copy of it.
how do we come up with this address? I don't know you. We don't know you. You're the
Here
one.
it is right here, we don't have to guess. Here it is right here with
No,
this
ma'am.
document, that's why I asked for a copy, the
Once again.
address is right here.
Once again, you're the one who provide these forms with
This is what I provided, I'm not heard. This is his address right here, I got a copy of what I provided.
We don't share these documents. This is just for internal use. This is your name.
So it's my fault so do I need to do another restraining order with his address on there? So they can do it?
You're misunderstanding. So here in this form, we don't ask him for his address. The address is located on the form DB-110 because it wasn't granted. We don't have it here in this packet.
So you're saying that so you're making it impossible for me to serve him?
No, we don't make it impossible.
Well, if there's no address for him, only my address, and they're demanding that the address is in the form, then I can't serve him, it's impossible.
Okay, what you could do is show up on the day of the hearing, talk to the judge, explain all the...
No. I need to get the man served, and you guys are in cahoots, hindering the case is illegal. And too many people are scamming, so I can't serve him. My address is in here, but you refuse to put his address in the paperwork so he can get served.
Understand, we don't write the address down. You provide it.
Right, I provided it, and you didn't put it in the packet.
No, you provide these forms. You provide the 100,
I need to call the
109,
police
110.
and do a
Just
report.
Just do it outside when you bring the
Okay,
police.
so here's the document right here with the address on it, and you're saying that I didn't do it, provide it,
Just do it outside, please. Just
and
finish.
it's not in here?